Here I have Renault Captur. Let me show you how to enable or disable the radio feature on this car, on this radio. Let's begin. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Then you need to find here and select the apps icon. From the list of apps, let's find here the radio. So this is the radio icon. Let me tap it. Now at the top of the screen, you've got this settings icon that pops up here. So let me just tap it. Now from settings, let's choose here FM. And as you can see, by using FM, you can here enable the region. So now when the radio finds the region version of the radio that you are listening right now, to hear, for example, the news from the region, to hear the weather from the region or the traffic, it will automatically switch to the region radio station. It's quite useful. I really like this feature, so I recommend you to have this enabled. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave a thumbs up.